Hello, my name is Josh Crouch. I'm the head custodian here at Lakota East High School. Just want to let everybody know that we are so excited to welcome the kids back into our buildings this year. With the COVID-19 being the way it is, things are going to be a little different, but our number one goal this year is going to be the cleanliness and safety for the children returning to our buildings. Each teacher will be given a cleaning kit to start the year, disinfectant spray, towels, and they will be asked to wipe down all the desks that were being used, touch points in between classes, just to ensure that everything's being done as much as we possibly can. Every night we'll be sanitizing both physically by hand and with the machine. What we can't get by hand, we'll use the machine to spray to ensure that everything is sanitized. So at every entrance we will have a bottle of hand sanitizer as well as some extra masks for people who either forget or just in case one breaks throughout the day. We will be able to provide extra if someone needs it. We would really like to see every student wash their hands for 20 seconds multiple times a day, as many times as they can make it in there. We'd really like to encourage that everybody go to www.lakotaonline.com/weareprepared for all the latest coronavirus updates and what we intend to do to keep everybody safe in the buildings. We are so excited to bring the students of Lakota back to school, and I just want to assure everybody that as one of the custodial staff, all the custodial staff in this district is prepared and is ready for school to happen. We put the student safety number one, so we just are very, very, very looking forward to having them back.